Hi everyone, I am Faisal Mangalgiri. Today is 9 December 2021 and our today's topic is inheritance in Java. Let us see about inheritance. Inheritance is a mechanism in which a single object of child class can inherit or can use all the properties or functions of its parent class. Inheritance is a important concept in OOPS, that is object oriented programming system. The basic need or cause to study inheritance in Java is to create a new class to create a new class which is built upon or by using existing class. Inheritance shows is a relationship between two classes, or that relationship we called as a parent-child relationship. Let us see why we use inheritance in Java. Because we use inheritance in Java in two cases. First one, for in the case of method overriding, and second for reusability of code. Let us first see what is method overriding. When a parent and child class have a method with same name, then the object of child class first executes the method which is present in child class, because execution preference is given to a method which is present in child class. Let us see the terms which are used in inheritance. First one is class. Class is a group of objects which are having same properties. Class is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. Let us see the second term which is used in inheritance, that is subclass or child class. A class which inherits other class is known as a subclass, or it is also known as extended class or child class or a derived class. The third term which is used in inheritance is a superclass or a parent class. It is a class which is inherited, or we can say it is a class from which a child class inherits. It is also known as a base class or a parent class. The fourth term which is used in inheritance is reusability. Inheritance gives reusability of code in such a way that by creating a new class, we can inherit or use all the fields and methods of a parent class. This by using inheritance we can reduce our code, and this gives a reusability mechanism to our code. Syntax for inheritance is class class child class name extends class parent class name. Syntax for inheritance is class child class name extends class parent class name. After that we use a open curly bracket and a close curly bracket. Within these two curly brackets we write fields and methods. Extend keyword we use in inheritance shows that we had created a new class which is derived from a existing class. The literal meaning of extends is to increase functionality. In the terminology of Java, a class which is existing and which is inherited is called as a parent class, and a class which is newly created and which inherits is called as a child class. Let us see about types of inheritance. On the basis of classes, there are three types of inheritance. First one is single inheritance, second one is multi-level inheritance, and third one is a hierarchical inheritance. On the basis of interface, there are two types of inheritance, that is multiple inheritance and a hybrid inheritance. By using classes or through classes, we cannot use multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance. By only using interface, we can access. By using only interfaces, we can use multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance. Generally, by using classes, Java do not support multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance. Let us first see about single inheritance. When a child class inherits its parent class is known as single inheritance. For example, a college is a parent class and department is a child class. In this case, department can inherit department can inherit class college. Let us see about the second type, that is multi-level inheritance. In this inheritance, a child class inherits its parent class and parent class inherits grandparent class. This is known as, in this way there is a chain of inheritance, and this is known as a multi-level inheritance. For example, a class which is named as teacher. Class teacher inherits class department, and again class department can inherit class college. And our third type of inheritance, that is hierarchical inheritance. In this inheritance, a child class can inherit from two or more parent class. For example, there are three classes that are named as a non-teaching class, a teaching class, and a department class. Department in hierarchical inheritance, two or more there are two or more classes with there are two or more child classes which which can inherit from their single parent class. This can be understood by using a real-time example. That is, there are three classes in which department class is a parent class, and a teaching class and non-teaching class are the two child classes. Both the teaching class and non-teaching class can inherit from department class, which is a parent class. Thank you.